Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can restrict someone on Instagram. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Instagram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, go to the person that you want to restrict. So I'm going to choose this person. Now go to their profile, and now you'll be having these options, these three lines. Just go over here and you'll be having this restrict option over here. Once you press on restrict, it will ask you to confirm it. Now press on restrict, and then the account will be restricted like that. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.